My name is Dominic Kimani. I come from Kenya. I am a Siska workshop beneficiary. I currently work for Kipeto Energy. My work involves biodiversity conservation and working with partners and fellow scientists to ensure that biodiversity is conserved, and especially birds, those that are endangered mostly. My work involves biodiversity conservation within a wind farm. We work with ornithologists from various organizations in monitoring and mapping bird species and their habitats to inform their conservation. Biodiversity mapping is an important tool in showing where conservation priorities should be focused. Mapping of biodiversity help in avoiding infrastructural development in critical areas where they are not supposed to be, especially for wildlife and important plant areas. For our case in the wind farm, we have sandalwood plant that is endangered and also protected by the Kenyan laws. Continuous mapping of wildlife, especially birds and bats flying through the wind farm, has guided in development of mitigation measures to manage risks associated with wind power development. As part of offsetting the losses that may be caused, community scouts have been used to map poisoning and wildlife conflict. This has resulted to development of vulture anti-poisoning campaign through the improved predator-proof bombers, the structure that livestock lives in, and prevent wild animals attacking them. This has also been provided the livestock owners abilities to address these issues of human-wildlife conflict. And this way, there is a community buy-in where community feel motivated to participate in wildlife conservation. Knowledge acquired in Siska workshop on biodiversity mapping allows conservationists to prioritize conservation effort and to focus limited resources on relevant species and regions. TBA courses have contributed greatly to my career academically and professionally. My data collection, analysis, and publication skills have greatly improved, and I have passed this to my colleagues in my workplace, and this has led to great success in achieving objectives in my job, which entail making decisions based on robust science. TBA training has increased my conservation network, thereby enhancing collaboration. I would say that future Siska trainings, if possible, could focus on training citizen managers on data storage and management, on biodiversity and business, how the two link together. I would say if you invest in TBA, you invest in an entire generation.